My son is about to turn 4, which is the perfect age to start including chores that he can do to earn a little bit of extra money. He has tasks that he does every day that are expected as our family, which is making our beds, clearing our plates, putting our laundry in the basket, and bringing the basket down. But these things I researched to allow him to independently get chores done and earn a little bit of extra money. So I wrote down all of his options so that he would be able to go back to this anytime he is trying to earn a little bit more towards a toy or an event that he gets to do out of the normal. One thing to know about my son is that he has extremely sensitive skin, so I have to be really careful about what I allow him to touch and handle, knowing that it could cause skin reactions. So this really is the first time that I have allowed him to help me with cleaning because I know that it's keeping him safe while also helping me keep my house tidy. So I'm so thankful that I found Truly Free because it helps me as a busy mom keep my house tidy while also encouraging independence in my son without any risky toxins. So the list that we put together was cleaning the windows, which you can see was his first pick and absolutely his favorite. Also cleaning the bathrooms. This was an easy one because you can take the window cleaner and bring it into the bathroom to wipe down the mirrors. The bathroom was also fun because it meant that he got to bring 2 sprays into the bathroom to clean the counters, wipe those down, in addition to the mirrors that he had already cleaned. He was pretty excited about that. Next, we moved on to toys. Toys is also a multi-step, which was perfect because it allowed him to spray, again, his favorite. We cleaned the toys with multi-purpose and then we wiped them down. Then his next job would be to go around the house collecting any toys that are maybe misplaced and put them back into a bin. The biggest help that I have found is making cleanup super easy. So we dump it all in this box and we put it away. Then the next thing was loading the dishwasher. It's already an expectation for him to put away his dishes from the meal that he's eating, but to earn more, he would be able to load the rest of the dishes from his other family members. And Truly Free has you covered here as well because they have dishwasher detergent. I'm so thankful for Truly Free because I can now safely include my son in chores around the house that increase his independence and responsibility. Make sure you like and subscribe for more non-toxic tips for you and your family.